ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पंचदशः पाठः। हे राम उत्तिष्ठ तव हस्तौ दर्शय। त्वं केन हस्तेन लिखसि? आर्य अहम् अनेन हस्तेन लिखामि। उत्तिष्ठ स्तादातु लोट् लकारः मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनम् उत्पूर्वक स्तादातोः लोट् लकाररूपम् उत्तिष्ठ। दर्शय लोट् लकार मध्यमपुरुष एकवचनम् दर्शय दर्शयधातोः रूपम् दर्शय। हस्तौ दर्शय तव हस्तौ दर्शय। दर्शय प्रदर्शय संदर्शय can use many words. दर्शय all same meaning. तव हस्तौ दर्शय। त्वं केन हस्तेन लिखसि? लिख धातु तुदादिगण लिख धातु लिखति लिख to write लिखति लेखनं करोति अथवा रचयति ग्रथनाति नैन्थ गण धातु ग्रति ग्रथनाति ग्रंथ ग्रंथ ग्रंथति ग्रथनाति different dhatus we can use to write. We have many dhatus. That is also a good exercise to take the meaning of to take a verb, an English verb, finding out the dhatu having that meaning. So up to this we saw. Now let's see, continue. Kameshwari, I think you are reading, right?
Yes, Ji. Yeah.
Like we have completed, I think, like dhatoho.
Oh.
Vividha rupam, pradanta.
Yeah, in causative form, we were doing last few things are left.
Causative.
Causative form, we started.
Okay.
In that, we were doing.
So lik dhatoho nijanta rupam. Lekhayati. We saw lekhayati.
Yeah, in that also we started
Hmm.
doing lit form and all. We finished.
Okay.
Trichon.
Yes.
Lekeitru. I think that also we finished. Is it not?
Nval. Nval would be.
Lekayakaha.
No. Nval would be lekhakaha.
Oh, okay. That leki will be there plus akka.
Yeah. Leki plus aka. Leki nijanta rupam.
Goes away. Yeah, he goes away.
Therefore.
Lekakaha.
Lekhakaha. Yes.
Okay.
Ekam vakyam vadatu. Lekhakaha. Nijanta rupam. This is
This also
plus akha becomes lekhakaha. Now you tell me a sentence using lekakaha. Lekakaha is meaning?
Lekaka means writer. Lekakaha means
Not writer. Here it is nijantam.
So who is the person?
The one who passed to write. It is prayojaka karta.
Okay.
It's a karayita. Causing someone to write. Can tell a sentence.
Yeah.
Say Mahabharatam.
So
there
Valmiki. Ganesha was made to write. So Ganesh.
Say, yes.
Valmiki Munihi.
No, okay. Tell the sentence, I'll correct mistakes.
Okay. Valmiki made, that is, he made Ganesha as the writer. Ganesha was made by Valmiki as the writer.
Okay, fine. Tell the sentence in Sanskrita.
Ganesh.
Vyasacharya.
Yeah, Vyasacharya. It is not.
Okay.
Vyasacharya.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh God.
In fact, Valmiki, I thought you were saying something I was writing. Valmiki and Narada. In fact, Narada inspired Valmiki to write. So that also a good example. You can say.
Okay.
In fact, Narada only inspired Valmiki to write. In the last class, we say Valmiki. Maybe by mistake, I think, I don't know. It's
No. I made a mistake now. I don't know how I made this mistake.
Yeah, even Valmiki was inspired to write by Narada Maharshi. That also a good example. I thought, in fact, that one is a different example from the last class. Yes, you can tell Vyasacharya Ganapati. So, Vyasacharyaha Lekakaha, that's all. Okay, is simple. Vyasacharya
Lekakaha.
Prayojaka Karta. Prayojya Karta is Ganapati. Right?
Yeah. So,
in fact, Vyasacharya dictated that in that meaning, it is Vyasacharya is Lekatha. Fine. Next one. Actually, it is Vyasacharya only wrote. Vyasacharya only wrote. It is words. Whatever the total shlokas are there, it's all is words. But the appointed Ganapati as his stenographer. That's all. So in that, only in terms of writing, not as a the Grantakarta. Grantakarta is that is Vyasacharya only.
Excuse me, sir. So then, according to context, we have to understand.
Yes,
whether-
according to the context, yes.
Okay.
He is just only appointed him as a stenographer, but the words, imaginations, everything is belongs to Vyasacharya only.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Then Leki plus lute.
It becomes
So the
Lekhanam, the same thing.
okay.
Lekhi plus Ana. Ni lopaha bhavati. Lut yuvarnaku. Yustane Ana. Lekhi plus Ana. Lekhana.
Lek.
So Lekhana. Lekhana means
Same write up.
Lekhanam. Lekhanam karoti. Vyasacharyaha Ganapatina Mahabharatasya Lekhanam karoti. Mahabharatam se Lekhanam karoti. Or use Rachayati. Rachayati, okay, it's incidental. Dhatu Chudadigana Dhatuhu. Swarte Nich Bhavati. Preranarte api Nich. Ataha Samana Rupam Bhavati Rachayati. So
Okay.
depending on the context. Now here it is Vyasacharyaha Ganapatina Mahabharatam Rachayati.
Rachayati.
Vyasacharya Rachayati. Vyasacharya writes. Vyasacharya Rachayati. Cause to write. Both meanings are possible. Swarte atva
Prerna.
Preranarte. So Rachayati, if you use Rachayati the word.
Okay.
Then Tavya.
Then Tavya will be Leki plus Tavya. So it will become Leke plus Tavya. Lekai Tavya.
Lekayitavya. Lekayitavya. Meaning of Lekayitavya is should be caused
Return.
to should cause to be written. Lekayitavya. Leki, Leke, Lekaya, Lekayitavya. And here
Here will be Lekani. E goes away, right? So
Yes.
Lekani year. Lekani year.
Lekaniya.
Then Lekani is also same meaning, right?
Same.
Cause to should.
Lekayitavya is equal to Lekhaniya.
Then
Vyasacharyena Vyasacharyena Mahabharatam Ganapatina Lekayitavyam. Mahabharatam Lekayitavyam or Lekhaniyam by Mahabharatam by Vyasacharyena Ganapatina. Now, this Vakyam, if you analyze, Mahabharatam Lekayitavyam. Mahabharatam should be caused to be written. Who is the Prayojaka Karta? This Vakya is Tavya denotes karma. Therefore, Mahabharatam Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Mahabharatam Lekayitavyam. Kena Lekayitavyam or Lekhaniyam. Vyasacharyena. Vyasacharyaha Prayojaka Karta. Prayojya Karta api Tritiya Vibhaktiyam eva bhavati. Ganapatina. Vyasacharyena Ganapatina. Because it is Ganapati there, it is as though a instrument is a karana, is a means of accomplishing the Lekhana Kriya. Therefore, Ganapatina Tritiya Vibhakti, that will not change. Vyasacharya is a karta, Prayojaka karta. Vyasacharyena Ganapatina Mahabharatam Lekayitavyam or Lekhaniyam. Understand the vacuum?
yeah.
These are a little complicated. We don't use like this. But, if you use Nijanta Rupam, then it is.
Then
Okay, next.
Twa will be Lekayitva. Leki plus
Leki plus twa becomes lekayitva.
Lekayitva.
Okay. Then tumun.
Tumun will be
Same thing.
lekayitum. Lekayitum. Yeah. The yakara is coming now. Leki plus itum. So lekayitum.
Lekayitum. Lekayitum. That's it. Okay. Now next vakya. Ramaji, you can read.
दक्षिणहस्तः अस्ति.
Okay. Dakshinahastah is
Right hand.
right hand. Okay. Saha dakshinahastah asti. Astah.
अस्ति.
Paryaya padam. Astah. Any other word you remember? Paryaya padam.
करः.
Karaha. Good. Then Danda panihi. Yes. Very good. Panihi.
Oh,
Then,
pan. Yeah.
then Shayaha, one more word is the Amarkosha. For Amarkosha. Shayaha. Then Panihi. Panchashakaha. One more word. Panchashaka. That is also. And that's Hastaha. Karaha. Hastaha. Panchashaka. 5 branches. The 5 fingers are the 5 branches.
Okay.
Panihi. Danda Panihi. Okay. Who is Dandapani? Kaha Dandapanihi?
Murugan.
Dandayuda Panihi. Right? Dandaha eva ayudam. Dandayudam. Dandau Panu. Dandam Panu Yasya Saha Dandapanihi. Bahuvrihi Samasa. Dandapani. Danda is Danda. That Ayuda. The weapon. Pani is hand. It is it Purva Pada Pradhana or Uttara Pada Pradhana? It is Anya Pada, referring to Kartikeya. So, Dandam Panu, Yasya Panu, Dandamasti, Saha Dandapanihi. It is Lord Muruga. So, Dandapani. Right? Okay. Then continue.
Yeah. Here asti is the Kriya Padam.
I think we don't have to do simple one. Continue reading.
Yeah. The Anyaha Vamahastah.
The other one, Anyaha.
Anyaha Vamahastah.
So, Anyaha Vamahastah. Kati Hastau Santi Dvau. Ekaha Dakshinahastah. Anyaha is the other one. Vamahastah. Okay. Continue.
Ekasmin haste pancha angulyaha santi.
Yes.
Yes,
Santi. Angulyaha Santi. Pratipadikam.
Anguli.
Anguli Ikarantaha. Strilingaha. Anguli Shabdaha. Okay. Kati Angulyaha.
Pancha angulyaha santi.
Pancha Angulyaha. Anguli. Pancha. Padasya Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam kim?
Pancha.
Again?
Pancha only?
No. Panchan Nakaranta Shabda.
Panchan. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Already, I think we have seen this before.
Yes.
Eka, Dvi, Tri. And Chatur. Eka, Dvi, Tri. Eka Shabda is Trilinge Bhavati. Sarvada Eka Vachanam Eva. Eka. Dvi Shabdam api Trilinge Bhavati. Sarvada Dvivachanam. And Tri Shabda Trilinge Bhavati. Sarvada Bhagavachanam Eva. So, Tri Shabdat Arabhya Bhagavachanam Eva Bhavati. Chatur Shabda Tatapi Trilinge Bhavati Bhagavachanam. So, Eka, Tri, Eka, Dvi, Tri, Chatur. Chatur is Repanta. We will see in the Subanta section, Repanta, how to decline. But we have seen, except to memorize, you have to need to memorize those shabdas also, only Bahuvachana Rupam. Then Panchan Nakaranta Shabda. Panchan Nakarantaha Panchan Shabdaha Trishu Lingeshu Samana Rupameva. Pancha Pancha Panchabhihi Pancha Panchabhyaha iti. Panchana Panchasu. Right? Then next one. Number, what is the Pradipadikam?
Shash.
Shash Shakaranta Shabda. Then number 7.
Here Nakaranta Sapta.
Saptan. Then Ashtan. Ashtan, we have two Shabdas. That also you have to see. Ashtan. Ashta is there. Ashta also is there. Both are there. You remember the Shabda? You have seen. Okay, let me open that.
Hi Ashtabhihi Ashtabhya.
Yes. Ashtabhihi Ashtabhihi Ashtabhyaha Ashtabhyaha iti.
Like,
Rupadvayam. That is two Shabdas, two separate Shabda. Do you see Shabda Manjari?
Yes, dear.
yes, Shash.
Okay. So here, we saw this. Something interesting also is there at the end. That also we saw. That is when these numbers, the Sankhya, is cardinals and ordinals. Sankhya, Sankhyeya. Two things are there. Pratama, Dvitiya, they are. What are they? Pratama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Ata Pratamo, Dhyayaha, Pratamaha, Dvitiyaha. It is Pratama, Vibhaktihi, Dvitiya, Vibhaktihi, Srilinga, or if it is Pratamam, Dvitiyam, Tritiyam, Pratamam, Vakradundancha. Okay, anyway, there it is. Yes.
Sankheya.
It is
Sankheya, sir.
Sankhyeya Shabda. In English, it is called. It is Sankhya is there. Sankhya is Ekaha. That is Sankhyeya is first, second. What do you call it? Cardinals. Right. So here, Panchan. Nantaha is Nakarantaha. Then Saptan. Ashtan. Ashta, Ashtau. Here, Au Adeshaha Bhavati. That we will see in Ashtadhyayi class. How it is declined. Ashtabhihi, Ashtabhyaha, Ashtabhyaha. So, Ashtanam, that is always Dirgha. Okay, this is some, this you can remember. Ashtanam. This Nam is there.
Yeah. Padavi.
Nami, Pare. Nam follows. Ajanta, Angasya, Dirgha Bhavati. Like Ramanam, Ramanam, Nadinam, Gurunam, Pitrunam, Matrunam, Vadhunam. Vadhu is already Dirgha only. Palanam, any Akaranta, any Ajanta, if you take Dirgha, you will see. Ashtan plus Nam, the Nakara goes away. Nalopaha, Pratipatika, Sutrana goes away. Then Ashta is there, then becomes Ashtanam iti rupam. Ashtasu, that is different. Here, that interesting thing is this already we have seen, I think, this just you can note. See, this Sankhya Shabda can be used as a Visheshana or can be used as a Visheshya. What is a Sambandha? When you call a Shabdas as Visheshana, Visheshya, Yada Vibhaktihi, Lingam, Tata Vachanam, Cha, Samanam Bhavat. Then only it has got a Visheshana, Visheshya, Bhavaha, Samana Vibhaktikanam, Samana Vachananam, Shabdanam Madhye, Idi, Samana Vibhaktihi, Samana Vachanam, Lingamapi. Bhavati Chet. Then Tayogo Sambandaha, Vishesha Sambandaha Bhavati. Visheshya is adjective, Visheshana is substantive. So here, this Prayoga, you can see, Visheshanataya Prayoge Ekavachanam Eva Sankhya Shabdanam Prayogaha Visheshanataya Ekavachanam Eva Bhavati. If this Sankhya Shabda used as an adjective, it will be in Ekavachanam. Example, Vimshatihi Kumaraha. Kumaraha Bhagavachanam. Vimshati is Ikarantaha. Ikarantaha, it is Strilinga. Okay, another point you can know. We have seen this also, note, you can remember. Vimshati, all these are Strilinga. Vimshatihi, Trimshat, Chatvarimshat, Panchashat, Shashti, Shashtihi, Saptatihi, Ashitihi, Navatihi, all these are Strilinga Shabda. Okay, all these are Strilinga Shabda. Among this, Trimshat, Chatvarimshat, Panchashat, this is Takaranta Shabda. It says, you can see Anya Ikaranta Hiti Visheshaha. This can be used as Visheshana or Vishesha. If it is Visheshana, Sarvada Ekavachanam eva bhavati. Vimshatihi Kumaraha. Vimshatihi is Bhagavachanam. It is it is Ekavachanam. Vimshatihi is Ekavachanam.
Sir, Kumara is Pullinga, yeah. So
Pullinga.
Vimshati is Strilinga. Can we use?
Rupam is same only. Vimshatihi Kumaryaha.
Oh,
That's your question, right? Yes.
for all the linga same Vimshati only.
Yes. Rupam is same.
Okay.
The Shabda 5 onwards. Panchan Shabda Arabhya.
Okay.
Panchan Pravrittayaha Navadashan Paryantaha Shabdaha may have same declension in all genders and in plural only. Right?
Okay.
So Vimshati is like Ikaranta Shabda. So therefore, Vimshati, how do you decline Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Vimshati Shabdaha, how do you decline? Like what Shabda? Like Mati
Nadi
Shabda.
Shabda.
Mati Shabda. Mati. Vimshatihi, Vimshati, Vimshatayaha, Bhagavachanam api asti, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam api asti. Therefore, Vimshati being 20, from 5 onwards we say it is Bhagavachanam, but here Vimshati is declined, it is got all the Vachanam. Okay. Then, if this Sankhya is used as an Visheshana, it will be Ekavachanam. Vimshatihi Ekavachanam. Right? Visheshyataya prayoge tu dvivachane bhagavachane api sthaha. If it is used as a Visheshya, as an adjective, as a substantive. Example, Rupyakanam dve vimshati. Here vimshati is substantive. Dve is adjective. So, because it is substantive, there it is Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam is possible. So, for Vimshati has got all the Vachanam, if it is Vishesha, then it is Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam also possible. If it is Visheshana, only Ekavachanam. Okay. Gavam Tisraha Vimshatayaha. Vimshatayaha is Vimshatihi, Vimshati, Vimshatayaha, Bhagavachana, Pratama Vibhakti, Bhagavachana, Rupam. Then Tisraha is adjective. Gavam, go Shabda. So Tisraha is adjective. Bhagavachanam, therefore Vimshatayaha. Ikarantanam Mati Shabdavatu Bhavati. Takarantanam, that Trimshata Chatvarimshat Sarit Shabdavatu Bhavati. Right? You can note this. So whenever these Sankyas are used as an Visheshana, then it will be in singular, Ekavachanam. If it is used as a Vishesha, then all the Vachanam possible. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam possible. Okay. Now coming back to the lesson. Then here, okay, before that, this next para, that is not for Srilinga, Apumsakalinga. Shata, Sahasra, Ayuta, Laksha, Prayuta Shabdaha, all these are Akaranta, Apumsakalingaha. Koti is Strilinga. Ikaranta, Strilinga Shabdaha. Etesham, Visheshantaya Prayoge, Ekavachanam, as the previous one. Visheshanataya Ekavachanam. Shatam Janaha, Shatam Janaha. Sahasram Striyaha. Visheshataya Prayoge tu Dvivachane Bhagavachane api sthaha. Gavam Dveshate Rupyakanam Trini Sahasrani. So here Sahasrani Shate is substantive. Therefore, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam possible. And these are Napumsakalinga. This is Napumsakalinga. Only Koti is Strilinga. And Shatam Janaha Sahasram Sriha. The Shatam Sahasram is Ekavachanam. Shatam Shate, Shatani, Sahasram, Sahasre, Sahasrani, Napumsakalinga, Shabda. Okay. Coming back to the lesson. Now, Pancha is Panchan Akaranta. Pancha Kati Angulyaha, Pancha Angulyaha Santi. Okay. Please continue.
Yeah.
Kutra asti.
Ekasmin haste asti.
Ekasmin asti. Ekasmin is Pullinga. Pullinga Rupam. Right? Because haste is Pullinga. So adjective. Here Ekasmin. Anyway, here that's not a problem. It's only for the 20 onwards. So Ekasmin. If it is Strilinga, Ekasyam will be there. Therefore, there is no problem here. This similarly, and Eka is always it is Nitya. It is Ekavachana. So therefore, no problem here. Ekasmin aste. Continue, please. Next one.
Vayoho hastayoho
Hmm.
dasha angulyaka santi. Both the hands together 10.
Then Dvayoho Astayoho. Dvishabda. Prasnavisa. Dvayoho. Dvishabda is declension would be Dvau. Remember? Dvau.
Yeah.
In Pullinga it will be Dvau. Dvau.
Like that.
Yes. Dvau. Dvau. Dvabhyam. 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 If it is Strilinga, it will be Dve. Napumsakalinga, it will be Dve. Dvabhyam, Dvabhyam, Dvayoho, Dvayoho. Simple. So Dvayoho, here Pullinga, Astayoho. Dvayoho, Astayoho. Dashangulyaha Santi.
Santi. Panam vividhaha rekhaha vidyante. The hands, different rekha are there.
Yeah, Vidyante. So Vidyata we can take and now. Pano Vividaha Rekaha Vidyante. Rekaha Vidyante. Reka is Akarantaha Strilinga. Reka. Right?
Strilinga Shabda.
Pano, that is Saptami. Vividaha Rekaha. Vividaha Rekaha. Vividaha is Shabda is Vividha. Vividha, sorry, Akaranta Strilinga is Visheshana. Therefore, Vividha. Pratak Vidaha. Nana Vidaha. Or Nana Rupaha. You can say. Right? Vidaha is equal to, that is different. Pratak Vidaha. Nana Vidaha. Bhagu Vidaha. That also you can say. All these are Paryaya Shabda only. Bhagu Vidaha Rekaha Vidyante. Now let us take with the Dhatu. With the Dhatu.
This is
What is the meaning of Vidya here?
Tattayam.
Yes. Vidya is Sattayam. Bhu Sattayam with Sattayam. Let us do. With Dhatu, which Gana?
This is fourth Gana. Atmanepadi and it.
Yes. So Atmanepadi.
Yeah.
With Dhatu, it is there in many Ganas. Right. With in the sense of Jnane, it is in with the Jnane. It is in the second Gana. Vetti, Vittaha, Vidanti. With the Labe also it is there, which is in the sixth Gana, right? Which is important. Dhatu. Many Ganas are there with the Dhatu. Okay. Vidyate. Here it is in
Vidyate. So
Divadigana. Yeah. Vidyate. So next lung would be
this is Bahuvachanam. So Avidyanta.
okay. Avidyanta. Nana. What is it? With the Vividaha. Angulyaha. Right? Vividaha. Angulyaha. Vidyanta. Okay.
In Lord Vidyantam Angulyaha. Vidyantam Dasha Angulyaha.
It's good. Yes, Vidyantam. Lord would be.
Kaha Vidyanta. Sorry. Okay. Vidyantam.
May write that. This is what is avidyatam, right?
Avidyanta.
Avidyanta.
Note this Vidyata. Vidyanta. Sorry, Bhagavachana.
Avidyantam, right?
No, Vidyantam, Sharanji.
Okay, this lung is
Avid.
avidya.
We are seeing no ekvachanam or bahuvachanam?
Bhagavachana.
Bhagavachana. It is angulyaha is there.
Rekaha Vidyanta.
Yes. Then ling would be
Ling will be Vidyeran. Vidyeran.
Vidyan. Vidye. Yes. Atmanepadi, therefore Vidyeran.
Yeah.
Then
Then
Shatra is form. Just
so
Rupam.
Shanaj form will come.
Yes. Shanach here.
Atmanepadi. So Vidyamana is the Pratipadikam. So Vidyamana.
Vidyamanaha. Yes. It is Vidyamanaha. Dasha angulyaha Vidyamanaha. Santi again. Vidyamanaha Santi. You have to say Santi. Okay, next. Lat Karmani.
Let Karmani will be Vidyate only.
Yes. This is same. The Rupam is to be noted.
Yeah.
Atmanepadi Dhatu will have same form in Karmani. Vidyate. Vidyate. Then
Karmani Shanach also Vidyamana only. So
yes, it is. Karmani Shanach you can do.
Manaha.
Then Karmani Shanach, the same thing.
Yeah, Vidyamana.
Rupam is same only.
Yeah.
So Vidyamana. Vidyamana or Vidyamana. Here Anguli. Anguli is Trilinga, therefore Vidyamana.
Okay.
Then lung already we have done. Okay. Tavatu.
Tavatu is with plus Tavat. So here Nakara, Nishta Pratyaya follows, Takara becomes Nakara. So Binnavat.
Yes, this is something interesting. That is then
Dakara.
the Dhatu, Radhabhya. Nishtataha Naha Angul is there. By that, this Dakaranta Dhatu followed by the Nishta Pratyaya. Tattavatu Pratyaya will become
Binnavat.
yes. That Dakara of the Dhatu also will become Nakara. And the Takara of the Pratyaya also will become Nakara. So therefore here it becomes Vinnaha.
Ta Pratyaya is Vinnaha.
One minute. Yes, I am writing in the right place. No? I'm not writing Nijanta. Okay, that's confirming. Okay, with the plus Ta Pratyaya becomes Vinnaha. This already we have seen.
Okay.
This already we have seen in the Tattavatu section. Yeah, what are you saying?
Vinnavat.
Vinnavat. Okay, Vinnavat. And here it will be.
Vinnavanta, Vinnavatyah Rekaha it should be.
Yes. Vinnavati. It becomes.
Okay.
Vinnavati. Vinnavatiyaha. Angulyaha. Vinna is Anguli Bihi. Vinnam. Tritiya Vibhakti. I mean, it's Karmani Prayoga, right? Vinnam. Anguli Bihi. Tava Astau. Anguli Bihi Vinnam. Then Rit Kartari. Rit would be with plus Ya plus T. It becomes
Which will be
Syati. Syati is the Pratyaya. What will do to the Anga?
Vetyas.
Yes.
Vetsyate, I have it.
Becomes Vetsyate. It is V become Ve, then Ved, the Nakara will become Karicha. Vetsyate.
Yeah.
Vetsyate. Meaning is it will be
To be.
Bhavishyati Ityartha, right? Vetsyate is equal to Bhavishyati.
Bhavishyati.
Bhavishyati. Then trich.
Which will be Veditru.
With plus, yeah. It is Tatu is with plus trich Veditru. It is it is
This is
Anita.
Anita. So Vedra will be the form. Veditra means
Yeah.
second
Vedra.
one.
If it is it, then it will Veditru, but it is not it, I think.
Yeah.
It is Anit.
Yeah. So
Therefore,
Vedra.
Vedra. It is even if it is it becomes way only. Guna will happen. Okay. Vetra. Therefore, Veta, Vetaro, Vetaraha. Vetaram, Vetaro. Agam Veta. I'm the knower, right? Agam Nyata. In somewhere in, yes, in Agam Nyata, Agam Veta. In Gita, where is that? In Gita it comes. Gita, I think some Bhagavan Krishna says Veta. Somewhere it is there. Veta means I the knower. Nyata.
Nyata.
And Sri Lanka would be Vetri.
Vetri is the
Sri
Rupam.
Yes. Then Nul.
Nul with plus akka. So Ved plus akka. Vedaka.
Vedaka, the knower. And Sri Lanka would be
Vedika.
Vedika. Another interesting meaning of the word Vedika. Vedika is the pedestal, I think. Vedika, the what you call the asanam or the Vedika. Just check the dictionary. Vedika is the bench or what you call it, the stool. Vedika. The meaning is that is different. Not that's nothing to do with this. Sri Lanka is Vedika, the knower. The word okay. Veda is different. Veda doesn't come from this.
Yeah, here Sattaya meaning. So,
it is Sattaya. The word Veda is possible. It is possible, but that doesn't come, that doesn't in the sense of the knowing here. Sorry, that my mistake. I also said Veda. Okay, that is not here. Okay, here it is the, what do you call? Vetru, I said by mistake Nyata. It is not knower here. Yes, Sattayam, right?
Yeah.
Therefore, it is not with the Jnana here, not the Savantakana here. Therefore, Vetru, the meaning of Vetru is not the knower.
Bhavitra we can take.
Bhavitra.
Bhavita.
What is the translation? Bhavitra means the one who is being there.
There.
You can say dweller. Dweller, dwells.
Dweller. Okay, dweller. We can say dweller. That is the meaning.
Yeah.
One who exists.
Exist in with ER. If you what do you say exister, we don't have dweller. Okay, exist. One who exists. Yes. This way with the dhatu, generally we take the by or we take always the meaning of knowing, but here it is Sattaya. Okay, Lut would be
Lut with plus ana. Vedana.
yes, Vedana. Veda is possible that even that is got different meaning. Veda can be derived by adding gai pratyaya. Kartri chakarake sanyayam. By that we will become ve and content is becomes Veda. This we have not seen. This is Krit pratyaya. Lot of Krit pratyayas are there. So that one pratyaya is gai pratyaya. Not in the sense of karta. Gai pratyaya it become Veda. Then that is become Veda. Okay, next one. Vedayati iti Vedaha we say. Okay, Tavya would be?
Yeah, will be, this is neat. So, again, Vetavya.
Yes, Vetavya. It is
Paricha.
Vetavya. Aniya would be?
Aniya, Vedaniya.
Vedaniya. Tva pratyaya.
This With plus twa, with
Vitva only.
twa.
Yes, with plus twa is vitva. With samupasarga it becomes
Samvidya.
samvidya. It is
Samvidya.
samvidya.
Tumun.
Then tumun,
Tumun is vetum.
vetum. Then vijanta.
Janta, with plus nature. So with Vedi, Vedi is the new rule.
Yes, it
So
becomes vedi.
Vedi. Vedayati. Vedayati.
Yes, vedi plus
Here
vedayati. Yeah, vedayati or
Vedayati.
vedayati. Yes, vedi plus
In Janta form.
ta pratyaya would be
That is Vedi plus the
vedita.
Vedita.
That nishtayam seti, they can remember that. By that goes away.
Yeah, he goes away and Vedita. Veditavat is the Tavat. Then
Vedi plus syati.
Vedayishyati.
Vedayishyati. We can't do example for this. It's difficult. If it is jnana, at least each one of you, I can ask you to give some example. Here with this sattaya. So that's why we'll do the rupam. Difficult to give example for this. Because this is sattaya in the sense of being. The next one, trich should be
Vedayitru.
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 The null would be
Null. Ved
same.
plus Aka. Ikara goes away.
Therefore, Vedaka.
Vedaka. Same, right? Like normal.
Same. Yes.
The form.
Vedi plus ana also same.
Dana.
Tavya would be
Tavya. Vedayitavya.
Vedayitavya. Aniya is
Vedaniya.
Vedaniya.
Vedayitva is tva.
Yes. Vedayitva. Then with the samupasarga itself you can take.
Yeah, some vidya only. So
Samvedya. Samvedya.
Vedya, Vedya. Okay, some Vedya.
Then tumun would be
Tumum Vedayitum.
Vedayitum. So with the plus Vedi plus tum. Vedayitum. Okay. Then the next vacuum. Krishnanji, you can read second paragraph.
रामः उपविशतु कृष्णः उत्तिष्ठतु.
Yes, both you can do. Upavishatu.
Vishtatu, I think.
Yes, Vishdatu. Which
It's a
gana is?
Lotlakara form.
Yes.
I think
Divadigana. Sorry,
Okay.
Tudadigana.
Tudadigana, okay. That
Vishyatu
other one is
is
Thadatu.
Sorry?
The other one is Thadatu, Bhavadigana. Tishtatu.
Yes, yeah, Tishtatu. That already we have done. So Ramaha Upavishatu.
Okay.
Another word for Upavishatu, which was Upavishatu. Any another word is there? Any other than that? One more word.
Saddhatu.
Saddhatu. Sidatu.
Sidati is.
Yes, Sidat. Yes, Sidati. Sidatu. Vishdatu. It is in sixth gana. What is the meaning? Praveshane, right?
Praveshane.
With upa, it meanings of the meaning of sitting. With the pra upasarga means to enter. Praveshane. That's it. Praveshane. Vishtatu meaning is to enter. With upa upasarga. Upa is upasarga. Upasarga is this pradaya, pra, etc. will get this sanya upasarga when it is in association with kriya padam, kriya yoge, upasargaha kriya yoge. So pra, para, etc. Those shabdas are there. It's a gana, this group of words. The group of words beginning with pra, etc. They will get the sanya upasarga. There are about 20 words, 20 upasargas are there. They get the sanya upasarga when it is in association with the kriya padam. So therefore here it is upa is a pradi gana shabda shabdaha. So tasya upasarga sanya bhavati. So upa itself is upasarga. With upa upasarga, which dhatu will have the meaning to sit. Okay, it is upa plus fish. Don't think that one student in the group was asking. Confusing with upa also to be upasarga and di also to be upasarga. Two upasargas are there, then shatu is there. The shatu is connecting these two. That shadla dhatu. Shadla is there on dhatu. You remember shadla?
Yes, yes, Sharanji.
One is the shadla, that is from the for the word, the Upanishad, the word comes from that Murdhanya Shakara, not that one. Another one, Shadala is there. Another one, Shadala. That is also having the same meaning as Murdhanya, Shadala. If you see the Dhatu Pata, you will know the meaning. Gati, Avasadana, what is that? Visarana, Gati, Visarana, Avasadaneshu. The same meaning as this Upanishad, that Shadala Dhatu. Okay, this is another incidental question. Shadala Dhatu, that is Murdhanya Shakara, Shadala. Okay, let me write and then show you. This is incidental, we are not talking about this Dhatu, but one question. So let me write, I will type here. Shadala, this is the Dhatu. Gati, Visharana, Avasadaneshu. From which the Dhatu only, the Upanishad, the word comes. Upani, Purva, Purvaka, Shadala Dhatu, Viprantya, Tarupam, Upanishad, iti. We have seen. So, what is the Latlakara form of Shadala? Do you see my screen? I'm showing.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
See the tea.
Yeah, see that. When does it happen? That also we have seen. In Bhuvadigana only. We have covered Bhuvadigana. Shiti Pare, Shadadhatu will be replaced by the long one list is there. Pa, Gra, Dhma, etc.
Yeah.
Pa will become Piba, Gra will become Jigra, Dhma will become Dhama, right?
Yeah.
Among the about 10 or 11 dhatus are listed. When Shit Pratyaya follows, then Shad will be the content is Sad. Shattam and all Sattam will happen and becomes Sad. Siddhati. Sad becomes Siddhati. Similarly, there is another dhatu in the list. If you have the list, you see Shadala is there.
Shatane.
That Shatane. Same meaning. I think that's got same meaning.
Yeah, same meaning. To Perition.
What will happen? It's Lakara. Lat Lakara Rupam. What is the form?
Form Shad.
When Shit Pratyaya follows, what will happen to it? That is there given in the list itself. When Shit Pratyaya follows, that will become, Dhatu will become Shi. Remember?
Okay.
We have seen that Shadil, that when Shit Pratyaya fall, like that Sad becomes Siddha, this will become Shiya. It becomes Shiya. Dhatu become Shiya. So the Rupam is Shiya. So therefore, Shi. Which Gana is that? Is in?
First Gana and
Okay, first gana, this is
And
first
fifth
gana.
gana. Both are there.
Sha plus, it is Atmanepadi. That is Atmanepadi. She plus A plus Te will become Shiyate. It's a rupa.
Mhm.
This is incidental. Why I said because one student was confused with that Upavishat with this no connection. In fact, but some connection we thought. So it is Shiyate. Shad, that's dhatu is Shad dhatu. And its Lakara Rupam will be Shiyate, 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 Shiyante iti Rupam. So far we have not used this dhatu. It is that. Now here, Upavishatu, there Upavishatu. This is a source of confusion. Taking Upa to be Upasarga, that is fine. B also to be Upasarga, it's a mistake. Here, Upa is Upasarga, B is a dhatu, sorry, Vish is a dhatu, then Tu is the Pratyaya, Upavishatu. Vish, Praveshane is equal to C dhatu, right? Okay. Krishnan, you can continue. This Vakyam is Hey, Ramaha Upavishatu. What is the translation? Ramaha Upavishatu is
Rama stand. Sorry,
Not stand.
Rama enter. Rama enter. Rama
not
enters.
enter, sit. It is sit. Upavishatu.
Upavishatu is sit. Sorry.
Let Rama sit.
Don't lakara. Yeah.
Let Rama sit. Upavisha is you are addressing the person directly. Hey Rama, Upavisha. Right? So let Rama sit. Okay. Now other lakara you can do. Then it is let lakara it is
Vishati.
Upavishati.
Vishataha.
Yes. Then lang lakara would be
Avishat.
Avishat with Upapasarga. Upa plus Avishat will become
Upavishat.
Upavishat. So Ramaha Upavishat. It means Rama was sitting. Right? Okay. Then load would be load already you did now. In the sentence itself it is there. Upavishatu.
Upavishatu.
The link would be
Vish plus what is that?
Ekavachanam only you can do.
Upavishet.
Upavishet. Upavishet. Upavishetam.
Upavishetam. Upavisheyu.
Upavisheyu. Then Dvivachanam. I mean sorry. Madhyama Purusha.
Upavisheyaha.
Upavishehe. Upavishehe.
Upavishetam. Upavisheta. Upavishayam.
Upavisheyam.
Upavishayam. Upavisheva.
Upavishema.
Upavishema.
Upavisheyam. Vishema. 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 Right? Okay. Then Shatrashanach. Upa Purvaka Vishdhatu. Vishdhatu is Parasmapadi. Therefore, Shatra. What is the form?
So Pratipadikam would be fish plus shop. So Veshta.
Pratipadikam is? Why
Vish plus shop.
Shap will not come. This is which gana?
Oh, sorry. This is Tudadina, so no guna will happen. Yeah. So Vish plus Sha. So Visha.
Same as
Visha is a
yeah.
Visha. So Visha is a Pratipadikam.
Not
so,
Visha. Yeah. Not Visha Pratipadikam. At is there, right?
Sorry.
Visha is the Anga, not a Pratipadikam. Visha plus Sha is Visha. Upavisha plus Shat. Upavishat is a Pratipadikam.
Vishat, Upavishat, yes, Upavishat.
Nakaranta, right? Visha, what you said is Anga. Anga is fine. Then after that you have to add Shatranta. Shatranta I have not added.
Correct.
Adding Shatranta, adding the content of Shatra. Shatra is At. Ato Gune will happen, therefore Upavishat. Right?
Upavishan, Upavishantaha.
And here, yeah, tell me, yes. Then Upavishan, Upavishanto, Upavishantaha. Good. Srilinga would be?
Pratipadikam would be this is Tudadigana. So
Ah.
I think you'll have ops two forms. I think Upavishanti.
Very good. Yeah, that's what I want. Yes. You will have two forms.
Upavishanti and
Vishati,
Upavishati. Yeah, without the
Upavishati, Upavishanti. Two forms will be there. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then Napumsakalinga, okay, that's another. Napumsakalinga would be
Napumsakalinga would be the same as Pulinga, Pratipadigam. Rupam would be Upavishat, Upavishanti, Upavishati, Upavishanti.
two forms are there for the Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, right? Very good. Yes, you have to remember Shatrashanaj. We did a lot of homework on that. It's a good one. Next one. Karmani would be
Vish plus yak, so plus te, so vishyate, upavishyate,
Upavishyate. Upavishyate. Then Karmani, how to do? Okay, Karmani lot. Okay, now Ramaha Upavishyatu. Let Rama sit. That is Vakyam, you know. Simple Vakya. Ramaha Upavishyatu. Karmani lot you do.
Karmani lot would be tam is the prakriya, so upavishyatam.
Complete the Vakya. Full sentence.
So Karmani lot Ramena upavishyatam.
Ramena Upavishyata. Yes. Upavishyata. Ramena Upavishyata. Even without Karta, generally we say, be seated. Upavishyata. Patyata. Priyata. Kadyata. Gamyata. It is understood. We say, let us go means that without saying that the Karta, we use this. Patyata. Read. That Taya Patyata is understood. Right? Then what is that? Okay. Upavision. Okay, in the sentence Rama Upavishit, simple sentence, nothing is that. Then the Karmani would be Karmani form of that. Karmani Shanach, okay.
Upavishyamanam.
Upavishyamana. How do you say Upavishyamana Ramena Upavishya?
Upavishyamana Ramena.
So something like that will happen. Anyway, the Vakyam has to be complete. Okay. No problem. Leave it. The next one. Ta pratyaya. Vish plus ta pratyaya. Here.
So vish plus vish is state or anit? Okay, so ta pratyaya.
Vish is, I think it is anit.
Anit, okay. So vish plus ta. So vish shatvam and then vishta. Vishta?
Yes, I think vish.
Shatvam, Mudana Shakara, and then
yes. Vishta. Vishta will Vishta. Upavishta, yes. Which is Vishta, Upavishta. Upavishtaha. Yeah, it's all these vakyas are Upavishtaha.
Oh, that is Tavat would be Upavishtavan, right?
Upavishtavan, yes. Upavishta, it's okay. Upavishtavat, here it is Vishta. Ramaha Upavishtavan is equal to Upavishat, right? Upavishtavan is equal to Upavishat. You can do that sentence all in Lang Lakara one lesson and all the Lakaras. We'll do that. The next one, little Lakara would be Vish plus Ya plus Te.
So Shatvam, so Vikshyat Kartari.
Before Satvam, another important Karya. That is important.
Angakarya. Itagama won't happen. So Angakarya will happen.
This is Itagama will not come on it. Already we have said that before.
Yeah. So Vekshyate.
It is not the, it is Purvam. Okay, don't confuse it. This is for the previous one. It is
Vekshyati.
So it becomes Vekshyati. It's a rupa. Meaning of Vekshyati is Ramaha Vekshyati. Rama will sit, right? And Karmani will be Ramaha Ramena Vekshyate. Something like that. Yes. Vekshya, then Shatranta Vekshantau, right? Form would be like that. Shatru, Shatranta, future lit Shatru would be Vish plus Ya plus At. So it becomes Vekshan, Upavekshantau, Upavekshantaha, right? So the form would be like that. Lit Shatru. Then Trich.
So Vish plus Trich. So Vishtru. Sorry, no, not Vishtru. Veshtru. Veshtru. Guna will happen.
Guna will happen, and Shattam also will happen. Tuttam will happen. You will have Veshtru.
Veshta, Veshta, Veshtara.
Yes, Veshta. Ramaha Upaveshta is a sitter. Strilinga would be Rama, Upaveshtri.
Upaveshtri.
Okay, then Null would be same as the previous.
Veshakaha.
Yes, becomes Veshakaha. And Strilinga would be Veshika.
Veshika.
So Veshika is equal to Veshtri, Upaveshtri, Upaveshtika, Strilinga, Upaveshtru, Upaveshakaha, Pullinga. It's all Kartari. Okay, if it is, suppose this is, we have seen in another class also. If it is Pip Pratyaya, what will be the Rupa? I'm just typing it here. There's no space. Pip Pratyaya. Anybody can answer.
Everything is null, so it becomes Vish, and then Shakara will become Kutvam will happen, I think.
What will happen?
Kutvam will happen, or I forgot. Kutvam.
Vishdhatu Kuttam will not happen. It is only for the other.
Okay, then it will become Vit.
Yes. Becomes Vid or Vit. Can decline. Shakarantaha.
Vishaha.
Then Ditya Bhakti. Visham.
Vishaha.
Then
Visha, Vidyam, Vidbihi.
Yes.
Visha, Vishe, Vidyam, Vidyaha.
Okay, fine. Saptami would be Saptami.
Vishe.
Saptami Bhagavachanam.
So Vish plus Su. So
Vitsu. Vitsu. This we.
Duttakama will come. Yeah.
Yes, that's it. This we saw in Ashtadhyayi class, so don't worry if others. The Pip Pratyaya when you had, you will get the Karta only. Kartari Pip, by that rule. Always any dhatu you can add Pip Pratyaya. This is incident. Okay. Pip Pratyaya is 0 subjects. You have Vish. Okay,
no, the Jalpare Shakara, that Thalave Shakara, Jalpare Sakara won't Brasya apply and become more than a Shakara, and then Shadavokasi happen, and then becomes Vikshu.
Shadavokasi.
Will it become Vikshu?
No. Then this Jashtavidhi is there, right? Jashtam is there in between. Jashtam will cause it to Dakar.
Yeah. So Shakara.
Therefore, it will not be there.
Yeah.
Shakara only when it survives, then only that Shadavo. Whereas in the case of future tense, here what you did now, Lakara, Kartari, there, Shakara is there, followed by Sya, the Shakara becomes Murdanya Shakara. It is not Padanta. Therefore, Jashtavidhi not applied here. Sya is there, therefore, Shakara followed by Shadavo, that will apply Vikshati, not here. Right? The Jala Jashanti, that is why Tripadi, the sequence is important. The Sandhi chart numbers are there. That's why the numbers are important. The sequence. Numbers are also not important for those who master there. Only the sequence is important. Sandhi chart is really useful for that purpose. Okay, next one. Null would be.
Null would be.
I think we did down. Yes. Then
Veshaka, yeah.
Veshaka. The next one. Lut.
Vish plus Ana, so again, Veshana.
Upaveshanam. Upaveshanam means the act of sitting. It is your dhatu artha. Upaveshanam. Saha upaveshanam karoti. He does the action of sitting. Bhavan upaveshanam karotu. Right? Upaveshatu. That is about the meaning. Upaveshanam. Okay. Tavya.
Veshtavya.
Veshtavya. Here. Shaptam and Suttam. Veshtavya.
Veshaniya.
Then becomes,
Veshaniya.
that is Vish dhatu becomes Veshaniya. So Ramena, that sentence would be
Ramena Upaveshaniya.
Ramena Upaveshaniyam. Yes,
Upaveshaniyam.
Napumsakalinga. Ramena Upaveshaniyam. Ramena Upaveshtavyam. Right? Tva would be Vish plus Tva.
Twa. So same Vishtva.
Vishtva. Like Drishtva. Vishtva. Same. With
Or
Upasarga.
Veshtva. Oh, no, sorry. There is
No,
no.
Vishtva only.
No, yeah, Vishtva. Yeah, Guna Baditva.
Guna will not happen here. Vishtva. Then with Upasarga. Upasarga. Upa plus Vish plus Lyap. Tva will become Lyap. Form would be
Upavishya.
Upavishya. Okay, then Tuman.
So Veshtum.
Veshtum. That is same as the previous one. Veshtum. Then Nijanta. Now we are going to do Nijantam. Vish plus Nich will become
So Vish plus which will become
Veshi, right?
Veshi.
Yes.
So Veshi, then Veshayati.
Veshi plus, yeah, Veshayati. Upaveshayati.
Upaveshayati.
So Ramaha Upavishatu. Use Upaveshayati. You have to supply Prayojaka Karta. Acharyaha.
Acharyaha Ram. Acharyena, right?
No. Acharyaha. Why Acharyena?
No,
Karmani, if you use
Tritiya-
it's okay.
It should Prayojaka Karta should be in Tritiya, right? No?
Prayojaka Karta need not be Tritiya. Karmani only Prayojaka Karta will be Tritiya. You are doing Kartari. Upaveshayati. Right?
Okay.
Latlakara. Upaveshayati. Pratham Purusha. Not Litlakara, not Latlakara. Sorry. Latlakara, not Litlakara. Latlakara. Nijanta Latlakara you are doing. Right? Nijanta Latlakara Rupam is Upaveshayati. Veshi, Veshayati. Upaveshayati. So, the Vakyam, Ramaha Upavishatu is there. Ramaha Upavishati.
Acharya Ramam, not
Yes, you're right. Acharya Ramam
Upaveshayati.
So, there Prayojaka Karta will be in Prathama Vibhakti, Kartari Prayogatvat. Karmani would be that Prayojya Karta will be Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Yeah, okay.
Karma would be Prayojya Karta, that is Ram. So, Acharya Ramam Upaveshayati. Right? Now, same thing if you do in Karmani. Nijanta Karmani.
Acharyena.
There Acharyena. Okay. Upa plus Veshi plus Yak plus Te. Upaveshyate. Acharyena Ramaha Upaveshyate. Right? Upaveshyate. Upa plus Upaveshyate, not Vekshyate. Upaveshyate. So, it was made to sit by Acharya. It was made to sit by the Acharya. Fine, next one. Continue. Veshi plus Ta pratyaya would be
Veshe.
it is Veshi. Veshi is a dhatu, Nijanta dhatu. Veshita.
Veshita.
Same as the previous one.
Veshita, Veshitaya. There's no
Yes.
Gunaya.
Nijanta tavatu rupam.
Veshitavat,
Veshita.
Veshitavat, Veshitavan.
Now lit lakara.
Veshi plus Yati. So this is Anek. This will take Itagama, right? It will.
Yes, itagama will come.
Anekat. So Veshi, Veshe, Vesha, Veshayishyati.
Oh, this is a lit lakara. So Acharya Ramam Veshayishyati. Okay, the rupam will be later. He will cause him to sit. He will cause him to sit for the exam. How do you say? The teacher will cause his student to sit for the exam. Anybody?
Adhyapakaha Ramam Parikshartam what is it? We will make
Make him to sit for the exam.
Upaveshayishyati. Upaveshayishyati.
Upaveshayishyati. Acharyaha Chatran Upaveshayishyati. Parikshayam. Right. Next one. Which would be
Veshi Pastrich. Veshitru.
Veshayitra. Itagama will come. This is Trich. Adhataka Valavadi. Itagama Bhavati. And it is Nijanta. It is Nijanta by default. It is said. Itagama
Said.
Bhavati.
Yeah, Veshitru.
Veshayitra. So Upaveshayitra. Upaveshayitra is, what is Upaveshayitra? The one who, okay. Like the example. Which is that example? Okay. In Maharashtra, this Shiva Sena is made to sit this in the position, the chief minister, because of backed up by this Congress party. Who is a person is going to contest for president election also. A senior person. Anyway, two parties are there. If you know politics.
Sugarman.
Huh?
Sugar daddy.
No, that
Sharad
Congress
Pawar.
is there in Maharashtra. What is that?
Sharad Pawar.
Sharad Pawar, yeah. So Sharad Pawar is a person who made this Thackeray. What is that? This Thackeray to
Paul Thackeray and this.
not Paul Thackeray's son
Uddhav Thackeray.
Uddhav Thackeray to be the chief minister. So he is the Upaveshayita. Kaha? Sharad Pawar is Upaveshayita. Sharad Pawar is Upaveshayita. And who is the Veshtr? Upaveshtr. Upaveshtr is this Thackeray. Right? So what is his name? I said now Uddhav Thackeray. So Uddhav Thackeray is Upaveshtr. And Upaveshayita, yeah. Upaveshta is Thackeray, Upaveshayita is Sharad Pawar. Okay. So causing to sit. Okay. Next one. Null would be
Veshakaha. Veshayika.
Veshaka only. Ika.
Oh yeah. It's not Vala.
Then Lut would be Veshana. Same.
Veshana.
Then Tavya.
So Itagama. So Veshayitavya.
Upaveshayitavya. Yes. Then Aniya would be
Veshaniya.
Upaveshaniya. So you can say a sentence. In the next election also, Prime Minister should be made to sit. I mean, Narendra Modi should be made to sit in the prime ministerial position. How do you say it in Sanskrit? Anybody? Open. Parvatiji, you can also try. Everybody can try. The next election also, Narendra Modi should be made to sit in the prime minister position, prime ministerial position.
Agami Chunavana.
Yes. What is the word for election?
Chunavana, okay. Sir.
Chunav is Hindi. In Sanskritam, it is that, what is that? The selection. What do you call that? The famous word, I forgot. Check the dictionary. What is that? This
Sparda.
is, huh?
Sparda.
Nirvachanam. Nirvachanam, something is right. Okay. Or Swayamvara is this. It is not Swayamvara. Nirvachana, you can say. Okay. Nirvachanam, it is there, the dictionary.
Sparda.
Sparda, yeah, Sparda is right, but Sparda itself, seen Sparda, yes. Sparda means sports, but here it is not the sports, it is election, yes. Agami Spardayam, yes.
Agami Spardayam api Narendra, Shriman Narendra Modi eva Pradhanamantri
Rupena
Upaveshitavyah.
Janehi Upaveshitavyaha, right? Pradhana Mantri Rupena Upaveshitavyaha Narendra Modi. Kaihi Janehi Agami Spardayam api, right? Agami Spardayam api Narendra Modi Janehi, that Pradhan Mantri Rupena, I said Pradhan Mantri.
Pradhan Mantri Sthane, we can say.
Pradhan Mantri Sthane, yes, good, yes. Pradhan Mantri Sthane, Upavesha Itavyaha, right?
Correct.
Yes. Upavesha,
that is 3 years away, 3 months away. We need Yogi to be re-elected.
Yes, yes. In UP also it is like that.
This Nirvachana.
Nirvachana, that's what I said. Nirvachana, Sparda. Sparda is there. Sparda is the sports or competition. So the election competition, that was Sparda is used. Nirvachana, yes. Nirvachana also. So Agami Nirvachana is what linga? Agami Nirvachane. You can say
Pumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga, Nirvachane. Agami Nirvachane. Yogihi Janehi Upaveshaniyaha, where that Mukhya Mantri Sthane, right? Chief Minister. Uttara, that Uttara Pradesh, right? All our Sankalpa, let us see. Next one. Krishnanji. Next one is Veshi plus Lyap, Veshi plus Twa will become Veshigitva. Then with the Lyap it will become Upasarga. The same as the previous one. Same as the Anyantarupam, Upaveshya. Then Veshi plus Tum. Yeah, Veshi is a new dhatu that you have to remember. Don't connect with Vesh dhatu, already over. Veshi is a new dhatu, Nijanta dhatu. So therefore, what will happen here? It is Veshi, by default, it is set.
Set, yeah. So Veshayitum. Upaveshayitum.
Yes. Very good. Then the next one. All the other Kriya Padam, I think we have done. So we'll continue reading this. Yeah, please read. Let's continue, Krishnanji.
Tom Astabhyam Netre Sprisha.
Sprisha, what does that mean? Tom Astabhyam touch Sprish Dhatu. This is another confusion. Is Sprish Dhatu Sparshati? No, it is Sprishati only, because it is Sparsha is the Shabda Sparsha, that is different. That Sparsha is another Krit Pratyaya, Gain Pratyaya, it is added Sparsha, touch, that is different. In Kriya Padam will be Sprishati, because this belongs to Tudadigana. This belongs to Tudadigana, therefore Sprishati, Sprishataha, Sprishanti, iti rupa, right? Sprisha, Lot Lakara, Madhyama Purusha, Ekavachanam, Tvam Sprisha. Bhavan Sprisha too, if it is with respect. Right? K Sprisha.
Sorry.
K Sprisha.
K Sprisha.
Netre.
Oh, Netre. Okay. K Netre.
Okay. Can you give Paryaya Shabda for Netra? Many words are there.
Aksh is there, right?
Yes.
Aksh.
What is the word? Akshda, Akshini.
Akshini.
Another one.
Another one. No.
Nayanam.
Nayanam. Yeah.
Nayanam, good. Another one.
Lochana.
Very good.
Lochana.
Another one. Chakshus, right?
Chakshu.
Chakshu.
Chakshuhu, Chakshushi, Chakshumshi, Napumsakalinga is there. Right? All these are the word for netra. Okay. Hastabhyam we have seen. Tum hastabhyam netra is special. You touch your two eyes with the hand. Okay, next person. We're supposed to read.
I don't know, anyone else is there or?
Yeah, I didn't ask you to even to type in the chat box. Okay. Sangamitra, you read. So Sprisha we need not do. Okay, Sprisha already we have done. Like Vish Dhatu, the same thing here.
Vayam netrabhyam kim kurmaha.
Kru Dhatu, this is Kru Dhatu have we done before? Kru Dhatu is, it's interesting, it is many are there. Kru Dhatu is Ubhayapadi. Okay, you can do. You can just quickly tell the form. Sangamitra.
Yeah.
Okay, Vayam, tell the meaning of the Vakyam, this Vayam.
Netrabhyam kim kurmaha. What we do with the eyes.
Kurmaha is what Lakara? What Purusha, what Vachanam?
Kurmaha. Yeah. Uttama Purusha Bahuvachanam.
Uttama Purusha, Vayam is there, therefore Uttama Purusha Bahuvachanam kim Kurmaha. You can just tell the let form, other forms.
Karoti kurtaha kurvanti.
Ubhayapadi.
Karoshi kurtaha kurtha. Karomi kurvaha kurmaha.
Yes. Atmanepadi Rupam.
Yeah. Atmanepadi. Okay.
Kurute.
Kurute kurvate. Yeah. Kurvate kurvate. Yeah. Kuruse kurvate kurudve. Kurve kurvahe kurmahe.
Kurmahe. Lang Rupam would be.
Akarot. Akurutam akurvan. Then akaroho. Akurutam akurta. Akaravam akurva kurma.
Akaravam.
Akaravam akurva.
Akurva. Yes.
Then lot will be.
Then this is Ubhayapadi, Atmanepadi Rupa.
Yeah.
Atmanepadi Rupa.
Okay.
Akuruta.
Akurta. Yeah. Akurta. Kurvatam akurvata. Akuruthaha kurvatham. Akurudhvam. Akurvi.
Yes.
Akurvahi. Akurvamahi.
Akurvata is equal to Akurvan. Kim Akurvata, Mamakaha, Pandavaha,
Kim kap akurvata.
Akurvata, Akurvan. Akurvata is in the Gita. Atmanepadi is using. Then what Lakara after that?
Lot will be karotu kurutam kurvantu. Kurutam kurta. Karavani karavama.
Yes.
Then kurutam kurvatham kurvatam. Kurushva kurvatham kurudhvam. Karavai karavamahi.
That's recently I took this derivation of all these forms for the Gurukulam here, the class. You'll see, Krudhatu, some 4 sutras are there, 4 rules specifically for this. That is, we'll see that. For us, the forms are important. Sutra secondary, forms are important. Ling Lakara would be Kurya.
Kuryat, yeah. Kuryatam, kuryuhu, kuryaha, kuryatam, kuryata, kuryam, kuryava, kuryama.
Yes. Atmanepadi.
Uh,
Kurvita. Just helping you by saying the
Yeah.
first one. Kurvita.
Kurvita, kurviyatam, kurviyatam, kurviran, yeah. Kurvitaha, kurviyatam, kurvidhvam, kurviya, kurvivahi, kurvimahi. Yeah.
Okay. I just help you by saying this. Okay. Remember this.
Yeah.
This ling lakara.
Mm.
Okay. Question is to all of them. Okay. What is the pratyaya? This ling pratyas for Parasmepadi. Let us take. Parasmepadi is Parasmepadi ling pratyas.
Ititam,
This is okay. That is for Adantanga. Anadantanga origin general. Yat, yatam, yuhu.
Yat.
Remember?
yeah.
Actually, it is yat, yatam, yuhu. Yaga, yatam, yata. Yam, yaba, yama. This is the original pratyaya. Means general pratyaya. For Adantanga, it becomes ya becomes e. Therefore, he said eat, eatam, yuhu. Ihi, eatam, eata. Iyam, iva, ima. Right?
Yeah.
That is for Adanta. Adanta becomes E. Anadanta, that doesn't become, it is same as the original. That is Yat Yatam Yuhu, that is the pratyaya. Now, Yat Yatam Yuhu, Yaha Yatam Yata, Yam Yaba Yama. All these are, it is, the pratyas are, tell me, it is pit or apit? Very difficult question. Huh? I taught you, I think I taught you.
Apit, I think.
I taught
All are
you,
apit.
I have taught you, I think, pratyaya nirmanam, right? This class only.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's very important. Pratyaya nirmanam, that definitely I would have taught you whether it is
Yeah,
pit or
apit.
apit.
And then
Apit,
nitvat,
apit.
Parasmapadeshu Yasut Nitvat.
I taught you, right?
Yeah.
So, ling
No, we have
lakara,
learned
yasut,
this. Yeah, all are apit.
apit, right?
Yeah.
Now, the pratyaya, all the pratyas beginning with what? Vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Oh, vowel only.
Okay, now let me show that. Okay, let me show the screen. 1 minute. In the chanting, there was PowerPoint itself is there. Yat yatam. 1 minute. Here it is. Yes. You see the screen?
Yes.
Yes. You
Yeah.
remove the, you take only the pratyaya, yatam, yuhu, yaha, yatam, yata. See, yam, yaba, yama, right? All the pratyas are, pratyaya alone you take. Don't take the dhatu. Dhatu, leave it. The pratyas are what pratyas? You said? Apit
It.
pratyaya. Sarvadhatukam or adhadhatukam?
Sarvadhatukam.
Any doubt in that? Huh?
Hmm.
All think shit is sarvadhatuka. So sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya, right? Now, when a sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya, this follows, then what will happen? When sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya follows, this nothing happens, just simply join, that's all. Nothing happens really. Kru dhatu is there, kru becomes kar. By adding what?
Yeah.
The Gana Vikarana Pratyaya, U is the Gana Vikarana Pratyaya, 8th Gana, right? Kru becomes kar, and the kar becomes kur. The ka of kar will become ku. That is a sutra I used there. Okay. When that happens, that is why I asked this question. See, you follow what I'm not typing, I'm just saying because I cannot do both. Kru plus, okay, let me, the first side. What is the Gana Vikarana for this? Which Gana is this Kru dhatu?
8th Gana.
8th Gana.
What is the Gana Vikarana Pratyaya?
Ukara.
U. U is a Gana. Now, dhatu plus U. Dhatu is Kru dhatu plus U. U is the Pratyaya. What Pratyaya is that? Sarvadhatukamba, Ardhadhatukamba.
Ardhadhatukam.
It is Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya. Okay. U is what? How can it be Sarvadhatukam?
Yeah.
U is the Pratyaya, Gana Vikarana Pratyaya. It is not Ting Pratyaya. It is not Shit Pratyaya, right?
Yeah, correct. Sorry.
So kru plus u is ardhatuka pratyaya. Can it do angakarya or not? Yes or no?
No,
Yeah.
it is not
Yes,
Valadi.
yes.
Yes.
What? Okay, 1 minute.
Sarvadhatuka
Some answer. Why?
ardhatuka
1 minute.
use
Why it is? What is the connection with saying Valadi? Valadi is only for Itagama, right? Sameshwari.
Yeah.
There's no connection here.
Yeah.
Valadi ardhatuka pratyaya will take Valadi. That is a different context. Itagama. We are not talking about here. It's not applied here. It is not Valadi. Yes, you are fine. Yeah, what you say is right. It is not Valadi, therefore no Itagama. Okay. But will it cause Angakarya or not? That's the question.
Yes.
When a Sarvadhatuka,
Yes.
Adhatuka Pratyaya follows, Angakarya will happen. Right?
Yeah.
Only when the Pratyaya is Kit or Ngit or Git, then only it will negate. Like Tavatu, what Pratyaya? Adhatuka Pratyaya. And it is Kit Pratyaya. Therefore, Angakarya
It's
negated.
negated.
Now here Angakarya will happen or not? Kru plus U.
Yeah.
What
It
will
will
happen to
happen.
Kru? Will become
Kar.
yes. Now kar plus u plus the pratyaya. Here link pratyaya yat. Suppose if we take yat. Kar plus u plus yat. Yat is what pratyaya? Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Sarvadhatuka, it is apit. Therefore,
Apit.
it is Sarvadhatuka apit is like a kit pratyaya or ngit pratyaya, right?
Yes.
It is ngitva. When the Sarvadhatuka, for your understanding, I am saying Sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya follows, then that kar angakarya happened, no, because of u. The ka of kar will become u. Therefore, becomes kur. In the anga, the kar is there. The ka, that is akara of ka will become kur. Akara of a will become u. Therefore, kar will become kur. So kur, understand?
Plus
Kur plus
Yes.
u plus yat. And ukara also, what will happen? Become ukara will go away. In fact, ukara only go away. So ukara will go away. Therefore, kuryat. So kru plus u plus yat is kuryat. Now, what I want to say is when a sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya follows, it is u goes away. Simple. U goes away and kar will become kur. That a different truth. So u goes away. Therefore, kuryat. Similarly, if you take the atmanepadi, kar becomes kur. And u is there. Where is u? Followed by ita, iatam. You see the atmanepadi suffix. Ita, iatam, iran, itaha, iatam, idvam, iya, ivagi, imagi. It is pitarapit. This also we have seen.
Yeah.
It's apit only, right?
Apit. Yeah. All are
All
So
are
when
apit.
all are pit. Pit pratyaya, sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya follows. Again, the u goes away. Therefore, kur plus ita, what happens? Kur plus, sorry, that kur plus, kuru plus ita, not kur plus ita. Kuru plus ita. Kuru plus ita becomes kurvita. The u will not go here, okay?
Yes, and
Because here it is,
Yens and yes.
it's in the happens. Ita is a ajadi, so something else happens. Here ajadi pratyaya, ita yata. That is another thing. It is ala ajadi. For kurvita, kurviyatam, kurviran. Kurvitaha, kurviyatam. Whereas, suppose if it's a sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya follows, what will happen? Kru plus u will become kuru. Kuru will become, again, the kuru will become karu. The karu is of anga. Karu plus tip will become karoti. That is what is in latlakara. Or latlakara, lotlakara if you take. Lotlakara, if you see the pit pratyaya, there you will see that guna happening. Karo plus tu, karoti, etc. In Lotlakara, Madhyama Purusha doesn't happen because it is not a pit. And Uttama Purusha, if you take, everywhere it has happened. Karu has become Karo, then Ayadi Sandhi, Karavani, Karavava, Karavama. Okay, I think it may be difficult to understand now. We'll see this. 8th Gana, when I teach you that the derivation, that time, with this, only few rules, only 4 rules are there. Simple rules, not difficult. That time it will become more clear. Okay. I thought I can give you a hint. Maybe it's not difficult to understand. Leave it, no problem. You will see that in elaborately later. So you know the form, that is enough. Okay. So don't worry about it now. That ling lakara apit pratyaya. That is one hint. Therefore, it becomes kur. It is apit pratyaya and haladi apit pratyaya. Then other one is ajadi apit pratyaya. That it is kurvita kurviyatamiti. Okay. Then next one. What are you doing, Sangmitraji?
This one, ling only.
Ling we have done. Okay. Very
Yeah,
good.
finished.
Then Shatra will be Shatra as well as Shana because it is Ubhayapadi.
Kru plus Shatra.
Therefore, Shatranta would be
Yeah. Kru plus Shatra. At
Kru plus U plus Shatra.
U plus Shatra. Yeah.
Again, the Kakara getting Ukara Adesha. Sorry, not Kakara. That Akara of Kar getting Ukara Adesha, it will become Kur.
Kurvat.
Because Shatra is
Yeah, Kurvat.
yes. Kurvat is a Pratipadika. So Kurvan, Kurvanto, Kurvantaha. And the Shana should be
Ana.
Kar plus U plus Ana. Kar
Yeah.
plus U is Kur. Kuru plus Ana.
Kurvana. Yeah, Kurvana.
Kurvanaha. Okay, Kurvana or Kurvanam, whatever may be.
Yeah.
Okay. Karmani would be same thing.
Same thing. Yeah, Kurvana.
Not same thing. Here Karmani it is. Karmani Lakara you do and then Karmani Shana you do. Not same.
Okay.
Karmani Lakara would be
Kru plus Yak plus Te.
becomes
Kriyate. Yeah.
Kriyate. That refer Karmani that sheet I have given.
Kriyamana.
Yes, Kriyamana. Kriyate, Kriyamana. I think I have sent you that Karmani.
Yeah.
Rikaranta Dhatu when followed by the Ekpacha will be replaced by Re, something like that, right? Remember?
Yeah.
So Kru becomes Kriyate, Dru becomes Driyate. You have the chart with you? I mean, that file? Please refer that file.
Yeah.
Remember all of you? That Smru becomes Smriyate, Kru becomes
Yes.
Kriyate. Okay.
Yes,
Remember.
Ji.
Maybe the rule and all I'll tell you later, but that is enough. That is Karanadatta, what will happen when a Kit Pratyaya follows. So Kriyate will become Kriyamana Shanachrupam, right?
Yeah.
Tavatu would be okay. This Kru Dhatu is set or on it? Question. It is on it only, okay.
Okay.
Therefore,
Okay.
Kru plus Ta will become
Krutavat.
Krutavat, Krutavan, Kruta.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kruta.
Krutavat, Kruta.
Then it will be Karishyati.
Karishyati, yes. Trich will be
Kartru.
yes. Kartru, Kartri, etc.
Yeah.
And
Null
Kul would be
Akka. Kru plus Akka. Karaka.
famous. The Karaka is not only the Karaka is the Karaka, the topic grammar. Karaka means the Karta. Karaka is Karta.
Karana. Then
It is not Karana.
lute for lute, I'm saying.
Lute is Karana only.
Oh, yeah, sorry, Karan. Okay.
Karana.
Karanam. Yeah.
Tabya would be
Krutav.
no. Tabya is Ardhataka. It is not Kit. Therefore, Angakarya possible.
Okay. Kartavya.
Kartavyam, Karma. Right?
Karaniya. Yeah, Kartavya, Karaniya. Okay.
Kartavya, Karaniya.
Yeah.
Karaniya, Natvam Milapan. Then Kru plus Tva. Kritva happens.
Kritva.
Kritva. And Lyap would be with some upasarga.
Samkritya.
Samkritya. Tuvan.
Kartum.
Nijantarupam. Okay. Nijantarupam would be Type this.
Will become Kari.
Kari is a new dhatu. Anekach dhatu, and it
Yeah.
is deemed to be set only. Kari plus
Karita.
Kari will become latlakara and karayate, ubepadi. I mean, Nijanta is ubepadi, right? So karayate, etc. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then 1 minute. Then I thought of asking something. Just in the we saw recently, where we saw in the Gita Moolam, the Gita Moolam class, I think we saw this. What is that? Karyate hyavasha karma. Remember?
Yeah, Karyate hyavasha karma. Sarva
This is a
prakriti
shloka.
jai gunaihi.
Yeah, we saw the shloka, right?
Yeah, we saw, yeah.
Karyate hyavasha karma. Sarva prakriti jai gunaihi. Did we? I think we didn't see it. It's going to come later.
In the Bhashyam we have not seen, but that Moolam class you have crossed yet.
Moolam class. No, I don't think so.
Yeah, we have done up to some 6, I think.
This is shloka. It is.
This is fifth shloka of the 3rd chapter.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Karyate. No, the karyate. What is this karyate? That's a.
Karyate. Karmani, isn't it?
How do you get the word karyate? Is it kriya padam or not? Anybody can answer. Okay.
Yes, kriya padam.
If it is kriya padam, what is it? Ramaji, Parvatiji, what is that karyate? Karyate avasya karma. The second nagi kaschikshanam api jatutishtatya karma krita karyashe avasya karma sarva prakriti jaya gunaihi. We saw this. Karyate. What is this karyate is? Krudatu te is a therefore karmani. Can you infer, right?
Yeah.
Kru plus yak plus te would be kriyate.
Kriyate.
Karyate is
Okay,
what?
cause to.
Nijanta.
Nijanta.
Nijanta karmani.
So Nijanta karmani, thank God, what is one dhatu we have seen in Gita. Kru becomes kari. Kari plus yak plus te, karyate. The e goes away. Okay.
Yeah.
See, karyate, it is in Gita. Gita itself. It is karyate is a
They are
karyate.
made to do. They are made
Yes.
to do.
That means Prakriti will make him to do, even whether he wants to do or not. Karyate. Prakriti gets it done. Prakriti causes him to do. So very good. I don't know what I said in the meaning of that. Karyate. L plus D. Avashaha. L plus D. L plus D. The Prakriti, the gunas of the person will make him engage in karma, action. Right?
Yeah.
Karyate. Karmani. Because Janaihi. Prakriti hi karayati. Prakriti janan karmam prati, right? Karayati. Karmam prati is kriya towards action. Karmani karayati. Prakriti hi janan karmani karayati. Make it do. And karmani prayer would be prakriti prakritya. Prakriti here gunaihi is guna. Prakriti jair gunaihi. Prakrityaha jayate iti prakrtija. Prakriti jair gunaihi. Prakriti jaihi gunaihi. So the guna which is born of, which is one of the prakriti, then the nature, that is swabhava. So gunaihi. So prakriti gunaihi. Prakriti gunaihi karyate. Karma karyate. Right? So it is there in Gita, we saw this. So karyate. Now karmani ta pratyaya would be kari plus ta would be karita. Tavatu would be
Karitavata.
So prakriti karitavati, you can say, right? Prakriti janan karmani karma prati or karmani karitavati. Right? Prakriti is the the instigator causing people to engage in karma. Okay, then Rit Lakara would be
Kari plus yati, karayishyati.
Karayishyati.
Karayishyati. Yeah.
So again the same, Prakriti will make the person, Janan Karayishyati, you can say, right?
Yeah.
Causing, will cause him to do.
Do. Hmm.
Okay, then Trich would be
Karayitru.
Karayitru. Ka Karayita, Karayitri, Prakriti, sorry, Prakritihi Karayitri, right? In this case
Yeah.
also the same example.
Yeah.
Prakritihi Karayitri.
Hmm.
Karayitri Prakritihi. Suppose if Bhashya, if you write, okay, you can write Karayitri Prakritihi, something like that. You can write, okay. Then null would be,
Karaka.
yeah,
Kari plus the why Itagama is doesn't happen.
where there, Kari plus the. Itagama comes
It's Aneka.
here only.
So,
You're asking here?
yeah.
Itagama comes. Itagama comes. Then he goes away. Right?
Oh.
Kari plus the, yes. Ardhattuka pratyaya valadi, it will take Itagama, but because of this, that E will be remaining. Okay, that will not go. That the E of that me, that will go.
Okay.
Therefore, anyway, you will have only Rasva Ikara only. There is no Savana Dirgha Sandhi happening here. Setaha Nishtayam Ni Lopaha Bhavati. When the Nishta Pratyaya, which is a set, follows the Nijanta, that Ni will go away.
Oh,
In all the Dhatu so far, we have seen this, right? E go away. Only two things you have to remember for this two rules. That is, when a Anit Pratyaya follows the Nijanta, Ni goes away. That is for the Anit Pratyaya. Second one, when the specifically for the Nishta Pratyaya, when the Nishta Pratyaya which can take Itagama follows Nijanta, Ni goes away. Remember this too, right?
Okay.
Okay. Now Karayitra is over. Next one. Null would be
Karaka.
the same thing.
Kari plus
Karaka.
Akakaraka.
Hmm.
Then Karana.
Yes.
Karayitavya. Karayaniya.
Karayaniya. Kari plus Aniya. Yes. Karayaniya. Yes. Then Twa will be.
Karayitva.
Yes. Sankarayitva. Something like that.
Sankarayitva. Yes.
Tumun will be Karayitva. Karayitva. Okay. I think we'll stop here.
Kari plus lute, what will happen?
Kari plus lute. Lute is E will go away because lute is Anit follows.
Yeah.
Therefore, Karana you get.
Same form. Okay.
Not same form. That is Karana, here Karana.
Okay.
Because the form is Kari. Not okay. What I understand where this doubt stems. See, for this dhatu, this is Ajanta dhatu. Dhatu is Kru dhatu is Ajanta dhatu, ending with Ach. So when the pratyaya comes, which pratyaya comes, it becomes Kari. Whereas the other dhatus like Drish dhatu, Vish dhatu, Ved dhatu, there it is not Ajanta, it is Upada is Rasvaik Upada. Therefore, Upada becomes Guna. So therefore, you don't see, you don't see any change in the Upada becoming. Here it is not Kari. Because it's Ajanta, therefore it is Kari, becomes Kar.
Okay.
Therefore, Kar plus Ana, Karana. In case of lute, for the Anyanta Dhatu, Kru plus Ana, Karana. There only Guna happens. Here already Vriddhi has happened. Kru has become Kar, Kar plus E, Kari, Kari plus Ana,
Karana.
Then E goes away. Okay, E goes, Guna will not happen. Ana is Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya, that lute is Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya, it can cause Angakarya. But Ni itself will go away. How can you do Angakarya? Angakarya not possible. We cannot do. It will not become Karayana. Okay. E goes away, therefore becomes Karana. So it's a good thing. Okay. So Karana, Karana. There's a difference. Causative is Karana.
Okay.
It's a good point what you asked. Okay. I think we can stop here. And Navaratri starts. Today is Monday. Yes, Navaratri starts in another, as after Amavasya, I think Friday or something. So we will resume our class after Navaratri. Okay. I think you all also will celebrate Navaratri, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And
sure.
I also have to go to the temple early morning. The 9 days I'll go to the temple. And the evening puja also will be there. So after Navaratri, when Navaratri ends, this week after next, I mean, which
15th
one?
Friday.
Huh?
15th
I
Friday.
think 15th is Vijayadashami.
Vijayadashami is there, 15.
15th shall be meet then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vijayadashami. Maybe Vijayadashami also puja will be there at least. Maybe for as you wish, half an hour or 1 hour.
Yeah,
Then
Ji,
meet.
meeting.
Vijayadashami is
Okay.
important. No?
Yeah.
To learn Sanskritam, we have to meet. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣ್ಯ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶ್ರೀರಂಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಶರಣ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.